Yo, let's talk about opening up a retail store.
Big Sife.
Fat Man Scoop, Brooklyn Clan. What's up, y'all? This is Fat Man Scoop. And right now, you watching the sensei, the number one, the king, my dude, Big Brando. He taught me, personally, me, Fat Man Scoop. All you gotta do is keep your mouth closed and your ears open. Listen to the man talk. That's knowledge personified right there. And I wouldn't trust nobody else but my dude, Big Brando. And I said it. Fat Man Scoop, Big Brando. Let's go.
What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today let's talk about my retail shop. As you can see right here, we are standing in the middle of my little storefront. If you follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV, you'll know that I opened this last month. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, a lot of people are gonna think this store is open every single day, and it is not. You gotta remember, I work a full-time job, just like you guys. This store right here is only open on the weekends and only certain weekends at that. I'm not open every single weekend. I'm not here every single weekend. So you have to follow on Instagram to know when we're gonna be open. Kind of use this space kind of like a pop-up location, but it's an actual retail location. This is where you can find everything Big Brando related, like shirts like this. 4 fingers up, 2 twisted in the middle. The famous West Side shirt, everything is branded by Big Brando, as you can see. Now, I also share this space with the homie from Local Roots Clothing. This is where you can find hats and shirts made by Local Roots. Now, the best part about this whole store is everything is handmade by me and the homie Dave from Local Roots. We press every single hoodie, every single t-shirt that's in here. We stitch every single hat that's in here. We design everything with our bare hands. There's no AI generated anything. We make everything in-house. Now, the reason I opened this location is because, as you know, I vend at a lot of different festivals throughout the year. The majority of the festivals that I vend at are located here in Southern California. The people that come out to these events always ask, hey, do you got a retail location? And I usually just send them to my online store. But now they have somewhere to come to on the weekends, and they have the ability to shop with me outside of the festivals, outside of these events that I vend at. 2, this gives the people that watch me on YouTube to come out on a weekend, slap hands, chop it up. And on our opening weekend, there was a lot of people from YouTube that follow me on Instagram that came out and said, what's up? By opening this retail location, I'm making myself accessible to the people that live in Southern California, that watch me on YouTube, that want to come out, slap hands, and chop it up for a bit. Now, this space that I'm standing in right here is very small. It's not that big. We got the wall racks, we have shelving for the hats, we have the counter space to handle all the orders, and that's it. So if you did want to come by and check it out, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV, to get all the information that you need. The store is called Kainoa Creations. You can follow Kainoa Creations on Instagram also for store hours. All that information will be linked below, and it's also on Big Brando TV. Now, a few questions people might have. They're thinking, hey, are you pressing shirts live when people buy it? Are you back there pressing? No, I pre-pressed everything. We pre-made everything. It's set up like a small boutique where we have the samples out, and then we grab you a brand new t-shirt from the back. Some people are going to be asking, well, how much do you press of each thing so you could stock inventory? My popular sizes, large, extra large, XX. That's what I'm going heavy on. There's a ton of designs in here, so I try to stock heavy on the popular designs. The less popular sizes, smalls, mediums, 3X, I'll go a little lighter. Opening weekend, we sold out of everything in medium. That was mind-blowing to me. So now I'm noticing that size medium is part of the popular sizes, and I'm gonna have to go heavier on that for the next run. So like I said, we're not open every single weekend. Majority of the designs in here aren't even on my online store. These are things that if you wanted to buy, you have to come to the store to actually buy them. So if you wanted to come check out, see what I'm doing over here, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV, so you can get all the latest information. If you live in the Southern California area, Los Angeles area, or are familiar with the South Bay area, the store is located in Torrance, California. But to get all the information, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you know when we're opening up, when I'm gonna be here. If you just wanted to stop by and catch a vibe real quick, let's make it happen. But I appreciate everybody for your support. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me all these years. Try to throw some clips in right here of what the store looks like, give you a little 360 view. But if you wanted to come through, pick up some Big Brando merch, come check me out. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.